Subto is a great connection source. So I've been doing a lot of work in Mansfield, Ohio, and connected with a Sub2 student there, Tristan, who put me onto this house right behind me at 215 East Liberty Street in Uris. I can't even pronounce the name of the town, but this is a potential novation, so I'm getting ready to go walk through here and see what we see. So this is 215 East Liberty Street. Siding needs a good scrubbing and light power wash. Front railing needs some work. Here's the staircase, big staircase, fairly wide. Wood's in good condition, just needs to be refinished. I don't think these windows are salvageable. Another cool thing about old houses, freaking love this stuff. I used every inch, and that railing is solid. Got some holes in the plaster here. The smell is just amazing. Looks like we got some knob and tube for sure. We got really tall ceilings in here. Looks like some more 9x9s. We got regular ceiling tiles over here, and that is roughly into the bathroom. Bathroom's over here. We gotta figure out what that leaks from.
Pocket door is not operable.
Pocket door needs some love. Looks like they tried to put some LVP down. I would rip this out and just plaster or drywall the ceiling. And we got a bathroom over here. And laundry hookup. Oh, there's a new window. And the kitchen, some more LVP. Big kitchen space. Bunch of glue traps. There's another dryer vent. Not sure whether there's spray foam in there. Big size kitchen. Good pantry, built-ins. I would probably try to put a stackable in here if I could. All right, checking out the garage here. Those aren't very secured. Good space. Oh, hey, there's a bathroom, toilet, and sander. Oh, tires, yay. I got left with a bunch of them at a fourplex back home.
These things are...
I'm predominantly a buy and hold. Everything I'm doing right now is flips.
Gotcha. Intended shift or just kind of happen that way?
Just kind of happened that way, so we definitely need a new water meter. The smell is even better down here. Dude, did they just try to spray foam everything?
Yeah, dude, spray foam fixes everything, don't you know?
So you've done this for a while. I like it.
Why to stamp the ceiling down here is beyond me.
Right? Oh, that smell is even better back here. Looks like a new panel.
Yeah, it's surprising.
Water heater. And upstairs to the left of the steps, we got one bedroom. 99 tiles. That's always fun. Everything in here has a Jack and Jill closet. I don't know that I've ever seen that, but it's freaking cool. Over here. And a flat roof. Overall looks in good shape. Alright, leaving bedroom 1, coming into bedroom 2. These wood floors look in pretty good shape. They definitely need to be redone. Looks like they tried and failed miserably. There's that Jack and Jill closet back over to room 1. I love all of this trim work too. There's my man John.
Yeah, what's going on? A little plaster crack in the hallway.
Bathroom. Oh, we got some fancy artwork on the wall too. That's cute. Definitely water issues there. Tiny bathroom. Yeah, And number 3, built in here. Windows are kind of shit. Might be able to replace glass, but probably just need to be replaced. Windows are definitely busted in here. Already plastered this ceiling. Alright, so we're in the attic. Well insulated. We got a little roof leak up around the chimney. And around that vent pipe. Overall, everything else looks pretty good. So I like this cantilever door they put here for insulation up in the attic.